A major part of learning new words is to use them as soon and as often as possible. In reality, that doesn't always happen. The purpose of this video is to remind and review with you what the past 15 power words were, their basic definitions, and an example sentence of how to use each word that can add greater depth and meaning to your ability to understand and properly use them while communicating at a higher level. The first word is astute. A basic definition of astute is to be mentally sharp and having an ability to notice and understand things clearly and quickly to take advantage of a particular situation. When astute is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. The newly discovered asteroid was observed by an astute young astronomer by sheer luck and perfect conditions in the night sky. The second word is serene. A basic definition of serene is best described as a state of peace and calmness, unaffected by disturbance, worry, or anxiety. When serene is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. The vacation spot we picked was known for its stunning beauty and secret locations that are tranquil and serene. The third word is lucrative. A basic definition of lucrative is making a large profit of money or producing a large amount of surplus. When lucrative is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. The rookie athlete signed a 3-year lucrative deal beyond his wildest dreams. The fourth word is intrepid. A basic definition of intrepid is to be fearless, bold, brave, with great endurance, and not be afraid of danger when faced with difficulties or challenges. When intrepid is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. There are many people who have an intrepid attitude at conquering the most challenging of physical challenges human beings can face on and off the planet. The fifth word is genial. A basic definition of genial is to be friendly, cheerful, and pleasant. When genial is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. His reputation was that he was a fair but tough boss who often showed his genial smile and warm personality when dealing with rude people. The sixth word is keen. A basic definition of keen is to be eager or enthusiastic. When keen is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. She wasn't so keen to be working in groups, but found the training from her communications class greatly improved her preparation for the challenge. The seventh word is persevering. A basic definition of persevering is to be unrelenting, persistent, and determined to achieve a specific goal despite difficulties and challenges. When persevering is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. Due to the extreme weather conditions, only a few persevering climbers reached the mountaintop. The eighth word is prosperous. A basic definition of prosperous is to be financially successful and enjoying economic health and success. When prosperous is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. The most prosperous small business owners are those that have a solid plan of action and a passion for hard work. The ninth word is tenacious. A basic definition of tenacious is to be stubborn, persistent, or determined to maintain or keep something of value. When tenacious is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. To be successful, you need to develop a tenacious desire to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way of reaching your goals. The 10th word is precarious. A basic definition of precarious is a situation that might be unknown, risky, not safe or certain, insecure, and sometimes dangerous. When precarious is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. If you procrastinate in starting big projects, you will put yourself in a precarious position of running out of time to finish. The 11th word is auspicious. A basic definition of auspicious is when there are signs, indications, or suggestions that future success is likely. When auspicious is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. The students were hoping, eager, and anxious to have an auspicious start to the new school year without the fear and anxiety of the last year's events. The 12th word is hypocritical. A basic definition of hypocritical is when someone behaves in a different way that does not match the statements or opinions they claim to make or have. When hypocritical is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. If you watch any news today, you will find an abundance of hypocritical people telling you what to do and then doing the opposite. The 13th word is empathetic. A basic definition of empathetic is to know or understand how someone feels through personal experience or imagination. When empathetic is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. To be an empathetic listener takes practice, training, and experience to reach a higher level of humanity. The 14th word is apathetic. A basic definition of apathetic is to show no interest, no concern, no emotion, or no enthusiasm for something. When apathetic is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. With all of what's going on in the world and conflicting and misinformation, can you blame anyone who has become apathetic about life and giving up all hope? And the 15th word is pathetic. A basic definition of pathetic is to have pity, sadness, or sorrow towards something that is inadequate or absurd. When pathetic is used in a sentence, it sounds and looks like this. In an attempt to fire up his team, the coach scolded them at halftime and asked them if they wanted to be known as the pathetic losers for their lack of motivation and sloppy play. Make sure to go back and watch the individual word videos that you need the most work on and review the rest to be able to use them as soon and as often as possible. The video links to all of the words are listed in the description below. What's your top 3 favorite words that you've been using or plan to use? Leave that answer in the comments below. And remember that my goal is that your success is the goal. I'll see you online soon.